Computer science videos here today to show you guys the tutorial 43, how to tweet two photos at the same time on your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account, so we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Safari, go to Twitter, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile, and then to make a tweet now of two photos, go to tweet, which is on the left hand side navigation bar, and then go to either photo, GIF, poll, emoji. We can click on photo and then go to documents, my YouTube channel, go to the Twitter folder, select two photos at the same time. We'll click on computer science and HTML5. How do we do that? Well, click on one photo and then press Command. To click on the second photo, choose. Both photos have been selected, and now we can write a caption, a tweet. Two photos dash computer science and HTML5. All in hashtags. Tweet. The two photos have now been tweeted. Command R to refresh. And now we also have a snippet of the tweet on top of the photos. Go to media, and the tweets are also visible there with the Twitter link we posted in the previous tutorial. So we can now go back to the profile. Quit Safari. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.